Hello there, have a nice welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you the 3 reasons why the chlorine is not holding in your pool, and I will obviously tell you what you should do to avoid these 3 situations. And from the Lincoln Memorial, let's begin. First reason is because you don't have from 30 to 50 parts per million of cyanuric acid, and these 30 to 50 parts per million of CYA are necessary so that the water can resist the UV rays. It's like an umbrella that makes the chlorine resist to the sun. So if you have the right amount of CYA, the chlorine will last longer and longer on the water. So if you have less than 30 parts per million, just add more trichlor or dichlor, or you can also add the CYA manually. Use the app Manage Your Pool to calculate these chemicals. And if you have more than 50 parts per million of CYA, these very CYA levels will slow down the disinfection power of the chlorine, and the result will be in a loss of disinfection, and the chlorine won't last longer. Second reason, there are forming chloramines inside the pool. This happens because many people bathed and they introduced organic matter to the pool, and that organic matter mixed with the chlorine, and the result are chloramines. These chloramines can no longer disinfect the water, and they will consume your chlorine. The solution for this problem is just to make a super chlorination every time many people bathe on the pool. Third and last reason why the chlorine couldn't be holding in the pool. This could happen if the TDS level increases. This means the total dissolved solids level is too high. This happens when your water is very old, and what it will cause is a loss of disinfection power on the chlorine. And the only way to avoid this problem is by draining and refilling the water on the pool. So if your water is over 1 to 5 years old, you will have to drain and refill the pool. And that's everything for this video. Now you know everything there is to know about how to hold the chlorine level in your pool. If you like the video, subscribe, because I upload one new video with the best info about pools for you every week. See you soon!